This guide will help you install the CS2 audio Desync fix for 2026. Follow these steps to ensure a smooth installation process. Step 1. Download the fix. Visit the official website or a trusted source to download the CS2 audio Desync fix file. Make sure to save it in an easily accessible location on your computer. Step 2. Extract the files. Locate the downloaded zip file and right-click on it. Choose the option to extract the files. This will create a new folder containing the necessary files for the installation. Step 3. Locate the game directory. Open your File Explorer and navigate to the directory where CS2 is installed. This is usually found in the Program Files or Steam folder, depending on your installation method. Step 4. Copy the fix files. Open the extracted folder from Step 2. Select all the files inside and copy them. Then, paste these files into the CS2 game directory you located in Step 3. Step 5. Launch the game. After copying the files, start CS2. Check the audio settings to ensure that the desync issue has been resolved. If everything is working correctly, you are all set to enjoy the game. With these steps completed, you should now have successfully installed the audio desync fix for CS2. Enjoy your improved gaming experience.